What's going on, everybody? Today we are taking a look at a knife from KUBEY. It is model number KB237E, and this one is in S30V and G10 Camo. Alright, so let's take a look. This is the upgraded version. There is also a version in D2, which is $45. There's a nice cloth from KUBEY. Set that right there. Let's open up this. Okay. This one is, like I said, is in S30V and G10. That's a pretty thick G10. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Feels good, nice and textured. Let's see if we can pick that up on camera there a little bit. It's got kind of a jade G10, and it looks like it's kind of layered with the camo on top of it. So it's actually very nicely kind of done. Pretty deep carry pocket clip. It's a little low in the height of it, and the screw isn't recessed. But other than that, flipper tab. Yeah, that's not too bad. Of course, it is liner lock. So there's your lockup. Good 25%, 30%. Totally secure. No wiggle up or down or side to side play. Yeah, very nice. You really can't get that. Really can't get the fuller is not quite deep enough or sharp enough to really get in. It's to flip it, but the flipper tab does work good, and the fuller is nice looking, just not deep enough for kind of choke up on it. You're right, kind of right there on the blade if you're really choked up on it, but it's a pretty good sized knife. So it does fit very nicely in the hand. Like I see, that G10 is actually very nicely textured. So it's not slick at all. You definitely have some traction on it. Your detent is right there. Your upper detent is right there. It drops closed very nicely. Once you get past that upper detent, very, very smooth. Just rolls closed, no problem at all. So that's very nice. Yeah, it's got a good feel to it. So it feels good, and pretty much all your grips. That pocket clip being low certainly doesn't even remotely bother me. It sits very low. It's pretty much only tip up right hand carry, because there is an indent in the G10 on the one side, so you can't move it to the other side. So sorry for your left hand carries, but this is strictly one only side and only tip up. So a very nice action though. It flips very nicely. It's very smooth. I do believe this is on ceramic bearings. If I remember correctly, I'll look up and double check when I actually do the full review. Centering looks very nice. Looks like it's right on the money. So that's always good. Yeah. That's a pretty cool knife. I mean, this isn't, like I said, this is the upgraded version in S30V. There is a D2 version, which I know a lot of people have done. Excuse me, a lot of guys have done reviews on the D2 version. So this one's definitely an upper version. Got a nice edge on it. Very sharp. So yeah, this being S30V, and it says S30V right there in the corner. So very nice, very nice. For, like I said, $80 in S30V G10. That's not too bad at all. very kind of reminiscent. The G10 is very reminiscent of almost like a Spyderco G10. Although Spyderco might even be a little more aggressive. But other than that, there you guys go. That's just the quick unboxing of the KUBEY KB237E in S30V, sorry, in G10. All right, guys, have a nice day. We'll catch you next time.